Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to Unlocktherapy, your go-to spot for tech tips, tricks, and solutions. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Today, we're tackling a question that confuses a lot of people. What exactly is a 16-digit network unlock code? Why is it important? How does it work? Stick around because I'll explain everything step by step and even share how you can get your hands on one. Alright, let's start with the basics. A 16-digit network unlock code, sometimes called a SIM unlock code, NCK or KNC, is a unique code tied to your phone. This code unlocks your phone's restrictions so you can use it with a SIM card from a different carrier. When you buy a phone from a carrier, they often lock it to their network. This means you can't use the phone with another carrier's SIM card until you unlock it. And that's where this code comes in. So why does this matter? Well, there are two main scenarios where you might need a network unlock code. First, when you're traveling abroad. Instead of paying for expensive international roaming, you can use a local SIM card for much cheaper rates. And second, if you're switching carriers. For example, if you find a better plan with another provider, you can easily make the switch without needing to buy a new phone. Here's how it works. When you insert a SIM card from another carrier, your phone will prompt you to enter the unlock code. Once you enter the correct 16-digit code, the phone unlocks, and you're good to go. After unlocking, your phone will work with any compatible network, giving you freedom and flexibility. Now let's talk about how you can actually get your unlock code. Here are the best options. Reach out to your carrier directly. If your contract is up or your phone is fully paid off, they'll usually give you the code for free. Just call or use their website to submit a request. If your carrier won't help, you can use a trusted third-party unlock service. These services charge a fee, but they're often faster and more flexible. Just be cautious. There are scams out there, so do your research. Some manufacturers, like Samsung, can provide unlock codes directly, but this is less common, and they might just refer you back to your carrier. Finally, some carriers like T-Mobile have unlock apps that do all the work for you, no code required. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your phone is compatible with the new carrier. If the code doesn't work, double-check it and ensure you've entered it correctly. And finally, always back up your data before making any major changes to your phone. And there you have it. That's everything you need to know about 16-digit network unlock codes. For more detailed information, you can visit our website, unlocktherapy.net. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Unlock Therapy,